Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have another new bike from the guys at MARIN. I'm absolutely buzzing on this one. I've been waiting quite a few months for this, so if you've seen the description you know what it is, so let's not beat around the bush and get it cracked open. Mostly standard spec with a few additions. I'm going to be putting some Conti tyres on it, some Maguiras and a muck-off tubeless setup, but apart from that it's going to be full stock, build it up and go take it for a spin. I tried to ride some dirt jumps on my trials bike the other night and it absolute shit. Nose case the jump, could have done with suspension, probably would have saved me. Don't make the same mistake I've made before where you pull those things out and take out the cup and throw it away. Disaster. Maybe this is going to be the bike that I finally learn fire spins on. Paul.
What are you up to?
Just filming with Raspy, building my new bike.
What is it? Is it a hardtail piece?
Hardtail dirt jump.
You don't do dirt jumps, do you?
Operation make this thing as similar to my trials bike as possible. Matt Jones watching this video absolutely cringing. Carefully thought out geometry, stem setups. I stick a trial stem on it. Should probably tell everyone watching this video that I've foolishly signed myself up to go and ride with Matt at his compound, and he wants to teach me a stunt or two. So if you've got any ideas of what you think Matt should teach me in his compound, comment below. Double backflip comments will be ignored. Give away free brakes. Let me know in the comments for why you deserve them. I'm not too sure about these reflectors. Maybe we should do a bundle, a giveaway bundle for brakes, tyres, and reflectors, bell, there's probably a bell in there, and pedals. Comment below what you're going to use them for. Right, let's go pinking. Oh, they're bright. Too jazzy? Nearly snipped through the mic cable. It's insane how light these tyres are. Cross King, trials rider, putting the grippier tyre in the flat. I forgot to put sealant in the front wheel as well. So we've hit a bit of a snag. This tyre isn't tubeless ready, so you're going to have to put it in a tube for now. And I'm thinking get another Race King to put on this, and we'll replace it out at a later date and get it all tubeless. So I'm just going to put this back in with a tube. How many times has this had the front wheel out? Put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. Oh, and the wheel's going back on for the 50th time. Crank Brother stamp pedals on it. Big or small though. I reckon if I was dirt jumping I'd probably ride the smaller, even though they're not that small, but just keep it the same as my trial. I'll go big. All cut down and ready to go. It's a miracle. What a mess. Look at that. What the hell is going on here? Right, here we go. There we go. I'm so confused. To be honest, I'm almost tempted to leave the front brake off. Front brake staying off. Front brake off until I can route it through the thing, because it's just going to be a mess. Nearly there. Oof, look at that clean bar. Story of my life, this. It wasn't big enough. That's better now. Jesus, tight. So I guess we should go take it for a spin. see how she fares up. So just come down to the Pumptrack stroke skate park and it is absolutely mobbed. So we're going to try and see how she fares on the Pumptrack. Probably going to be a disaster. But luckily there's some local young shredders who, if I'm struggling, will be able to show me how it's done. I'll just give them the bike and they can show me how it's done, but I'll just have a wee splash round. Definitely feels better than the Trails bike. It's just quite forgiving. Before I try and start jumping this thing, try Manny the front line. I did it once. Done it once on my Trails bike before. Oh, that's so nice having suspension not to take you out. Oh my god. Bit sketchy. I'll get one of these local kids to tow me into this first double, so I get my speed right. Rory McGregor is going to teach the old boy some new tricks and hit the first double. Oh, he's off! Oh, cased it! Oh. Trials boy style, but I think I made it. Oh, a new line. Oh! You want to do some stunts on this?
Yeah, sure.
This kid's been sending it on my bike, so way better than me. So he's going to show us how it's done. Put me to shame here. He's flying. Yo. He pedals there.
I never do the first roller. My front wheel like bobs up. How my son doing that?
Can't keep up where he's going. Oh, I see.
Oh.
Yo, that's it. Maybe we need to try that one. Yo! I might try, not that one. I might try the one in the back. Ugh. It's getting knackered by the time I actually get there. Oh, that is nice. Oh, that's cool as well. Seriously putting us to shame here. Yeah, I fly 83 on that bit there. Oh! I think that's as good as I'm going to get it for now. I might try a wee Manny line through there. Oh my god! Oh. Oh, first impressions are pretty bloody good. Felt a bit weird to begin with. Need to work on buzzing my big ass on the tyre, but definitely stoked to learn some more stuff on this. And like I said, if anyone has any ideas of what you want me to go and learn at Matt Jones's compound, comment below. Nothing too wild. Hit subscribe if you want to see some more, and catch you guys next time.